Hey, what's up, reviewers? It's me, your boy Tabo, and today we are back with another episode of I've been killing slimes for 300 years and I maxed out my level. I wanted to put out this video on last Saturday, right? I think. Yeah, that's when the episode came out. But weekend was super busy. Weekend was a lot more busy than I anticipated it to. I'm sorry if I look super greasy and just like not that great on the camera right now. It's just, man, oh man, is it hot in here? And then like I don't want to touch the thermostat, and the fan makes too much noise if I leave it on. I worked out way too much today and I'm feeling nauseous, so we're in for a great time. But last episode we got introduced to two new characters. We got introduced to Beelzebub, and then Ralka, I think is her name, or Halka, what the Tig Bitty elf girl, right? We got introduced to her last episode. So yeah, it looks like we're getting two new, or we got two new characters who are probably going to be mainstays, and then what's it called? Oh yeah, and the dragon girl. Apparently she apparently has to leave. Like at the end of the episode, that's how they ended off. She's like, "Oh, well, gotta go. Sorry." As like everything's kind of starting to come together for our main character, and they're gonna like the whole unit of them and everything. Like, so I'm interested to see how this goes. I'm really enjoying the series so far. It's definitely a nice little feel good. Don't have to pay too much attention. Not that much emotional distress, if any. Like, it's definitely a great show, and I am definitely enjoying the ride and loving it so far. So let's just hop right into it. If you made it this far in the video and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Also, the link to the channel Instagram is in the description below. We are back on the road to 400, so let's do this. Let's go. Man, it is so hot in my room right now. Hey! Anyways, sorry about that cut. My dad came in here to talk about the Canelo fight that's gonna happen this Saturday. But man, cool. Are we getting more backstory on her? I hope we are. Okay. Immediately, who do you love? It's alright, I feel you. Same. Sadly enough. 17 and about 2,500 months. Neat. So they're technically around the same age, just off by maybe like 10, 30 years. No. So wholesome. So wholesome and sweet. I love it. I love it. Why? And OP. Something fierce right now. Oh my god. Let me fix it. God. There we go. That's better. Beelzebub. Haven't been introduced to her yet. Or them. I absolutely love how upbeat Oh, that's sweet. I'm just gonna be going for a little bit. Jeez, relax. Honestly, I love weddings. I love love, and I love the idea of love and everything behind it, right? The idea of deciding to settle down and spend the rest of forever with one person, right? Like, for me, I absolutely love it. I love all of that. Oh, poor Hulk. She gets car sick. Imagine throwing up like that. I'm okay. Ready for the first party, Jesus. Those are quite the portions. It's good to see that she's very respected. Why do I feel like I'm at a school for rich girls? Oh man, I love the goofiness of the show. Or help. Hey, welcome back. That is definitely a dad laugh. She's been nothing but trouble. Stop. Same. Hey, childhood friends. Nice. Just 80 years. I mean, granted, for them, it's, you know, probably an insignificant amount of years, so it's probably pretty fast for them, but... Pretty sure that was a flag. Yup. Blessing the Crips. Why? They're just fucking assholes. We heard you're celebrating a wedding. Fuck you. Ah, that's right. Salty and envious. Playing dead. Jesus is quite the name. Kick her ass. Run her fade like a... Oh, Mama Bear mode. Mama Bear mode. Jesus Christ. That was quite the head kick. Y'all pissed off the wrong one. Y'all pissed off the wrong one. Yeeted him into the mountain. Yes, we get to see how OP she is. Oh, I love it. Run their fade. Ooh. She's just running their fade. Yeah, what the fuck is wrong? Oof. Hit her with a flying axe kick. And wrecked. Who's in reaction? I would run too if someone just ran all of my homies' fades like that. Hey, you know what? You got it. My bad. I'm sorry. I just came along for the ride. This is some pretty underhanded magic. We're here to harass you. Fair. Get off me. Oh, she's embarrassed. Falafel tart? Here's your bill. Damn. Pay your bill or die here. It's quite the negotiation. What? Jesus. Hey, Zeus is kind of terrifying, to be honest. I will forgive no one. Which of the highlights of myself? We'll have a high demon who's lived for 3,000 years and some OP witch raining hell down upon you. Well, good friends. They're so cute. Falfa and Shawsha are so fucking cute. It must be protected at all fucking costs. And here we have her, Alcara. Fucking Elky. I mean, this was me literally like last week. So. Ooh, nice. Got the drip. There's the D. Yep. This is so fucking sweet. Love it. Soon, soon. Definitely looks like a complicated friendship. Let me guess. Mike is a little down right now. We all need someone who's our shoulder to cry on. This is nice. This is sweet. This is heartwarming. This is wholesome. I love it. This fills my heart. Of course. Agreed. I'll tear you apart and roast every piece up to your soul. Sheesh. Thank you for the fun fact. I've only been to a bathhouse when I was in Korea. I've never been to like an actual like onsen or hot springs or anything like that. You're the alcoholic of the family. You're the drunk cousin. I mean, that's a pretty apt description of her. The show is so fucking wholesome. The show is so fucking sweet. I love it. They even made the fucking hot spring scene sweet and wholesome. Like, what more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? This is great. I love it. I love it so much. Man, oh man. Do I look hurt? Jesus Christ. Sheesh. Can you guys tell I'm tired? And like sweaty? Because jeez, man. It's so hot in here. But I can't turn on the fan. Because it makes too much noise. You'll just hear in the background all the time. But sorry, I lost my train of thought. So yeah, that was episode 4 of I've been killing slimes for 300 years and I maxed out my level. Like I said, this show, right, at least so far, right, I don't know how it's gonna get later on, but I doubt we're gonna have like a serious tone shift or anything like that. But where it stands right now, the show so far is super wholesome. I am absolutely loving just how heartwarming and how just, like I said, overall wholesome it is. Right? It's it's so goofy. It's so simple. Right? There's not really much to even really discuss about it. Right? I mean, obviously, it has that undertone of don't overwork yourself, right? That's always going to be a main focal part of the story because that's the story of our main character, and it's a good message, right? Don't work yourself to the point of exhaustion. Don't work yourself to, to death for a job that doesn't care about you, right? You got to make sure you take time out of your day, take time out of your week, your month, whatever it is for yourself, right? Even if it's just like an hour, two, three, however long you need just to sit back, breathe, relax, let your mind just go, right? And I feel like that's definitely a good motif and a good starting point for the plot, right? Obviously, we're to the point now in the show where we're not necessarily talking about that too much anymore, which I also enjoy, right? Because if they were to just constantly try and beat that into your head, I feel like it would kind of lose a little bit of the impact of it, right? But like I said, so far the show is really good. This episode was a whole lot of fun. It was nice to see a little bit of a backstory for um, Laika and just kind of seeing where she comes from and how the how the structure of the clans and everything is within the Kingdom of Dragons and all that. So that was interesting. It was good to see Beelzebub again. Like I said, this show is there's not really much to discuss ever, really, right? It was also nice seeing Azusa pop off and run the fade because she activated Mama Bear mode, right? Like, but yeah, the show is really good. I'm thoroughly enjoying every single episode. I'm thoroughly enjoying all of it. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave this video right here. If you may, you know, hope y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Tabo out.